Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'll help you how to fix please contact iTunes support to complete this transaction. So guys, when you have create new Apple ID on your iPhone and facing this type of error again and again and not be able to create your new Apple ID, I'll help you how can you remove this error and how can you create your new Apple ID without any problem. So let's get started without wasting any time. So guys, first of all you have to go back on your home screen, and guys now you have to open your settings first. Click on Wi-Fi, make sure that you have connected with strong internet connection, and after this you need to go back, scroll it below, and from here you can see the option of general. And guys now you need to check your VPN connection. If you have connected any VPN, you need to disconnect that VPN. After doing this you have to go back, and guys click on language and region and select your region according to your country. And guys now you need to go back here, and after this guys you need to check for software update, and you need to update your iPhone to iOS 18 beta, latest version of iOS. And guys after doing this you have to go back, and guys simply you have to click on Apple account and don't have an Apple ID, and guys you can create your new Apple ID from here easily without any error. So guys, if still not fix your problem and still having this issue again and again, then guys you have to go back and open your App Store and click on your main profile icon, and you can create your new Apple ID from App Store. And guys, if still got this issue, then you need to open your settings again, scroll at bottom. Here you can see the option of apps, click on apps, and guys from here you will see the option of mail, click on it. And guys now you need to click on add account and select iCloud, and here you can see the option of forget or don't have an Apple account. You have clicked it, and guys now you can see the option of create Apple account. Simply you have to click it, and guys you can create your new Apple account or Apple ID from here easily without any error. So guys, these are the possible ways to fix this problem. So guys, if still not fix your problem, then you need to contact with Apple support team. You have to tell all the problem and they will review your problem and they will fix your problem. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.